Presenting Orient Electric Aeroslim bldc motor Smart Ceiling Fan. It enables 40% energy saving and sweeps 1200 mm with power consumption of 45 watts, 310 rotations per minute, air delivery of 240 cubic meter per minute, and offers 5 types of speed settings. The aeroslim fan is expertly designed with inverter technology and contributes towards building a sustainable future, noiseless, frictionless, and stable operation even at low voltages of up to 140 volts. It is a remote and mobile app-operated IoT-based fan with smart features such as fan scheduling, fan time, turbo mode, sleep mode, breeze mode, and reverse rotation. Multiple fans can be connected to the same app as well. It offers telescopic adjustable design of mounting for modern and traditional ceilings, seamless design, and high-gloss premium finish with up paint or hydrographic finish. The product pairs easily with smart home technology like Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant. It offers eye comfort and smoothly diffused light and scene switching light option. It provides smooth and uniform airflow with lesser air-cutting sound. 100% rust-free blades made of high-grade compounded polymers for high durability. It comes in 4 color variants of marble white, brown, flame gold, and white. The dimensions of the product are 68 cm in length by 29.1 cm in width by 26.6 cm in height, and it weighs 6.64 kilograms.